First off, I just want to say congratulations for making it through another school year, or just if you're breathing right now, congratulations. This one is for all of us. I bought this even though I'm not graduating school again or anything like that. She's just cute, right? And I just support RJ, so I'm gonna keep RJ on for this video. Alright, so going back to school, what should I bring in my backpack? Number 1, water. I'm gonna be packing everything in this little baggie from Daiso. Okay, number 2, pads. Panty liner. Chapstick, in. Lip gloss, in. You wear contacts, or you just need eye drops. Solution or eye drops? Contact case. I don't wear contacts anymore. Now for the hair, Daiso. Bobby pins, in. Hair tie, hair elastic, in. Something to play with, I don't know. Something cute, something small, something to play with. This is from Honeybell, but it looks really cute right now, so. Or it's also rose quartz, right? It's a little self-love charm. Sunscreen, in. Hand cream, in. Hand sanitizer, in. It's getting kind of full. Continuing with a different bag. Some body spray, in. Sometimes smells relax me. A hairbrush. Will this fit? It's from the Wet Brush. I love these brushes. Will this fit? Okay, this can be loose in the backpack somehow. And then something to charge your phone with. An external battery. You should not even be on your phone at school. Focus. So that's what's in my emergency kit. Hope you guys enjoyed, and you can customize it to your own needs and wants. Try not to buy anything, just use whatever you have. And yeah, have a good summer break, have a good school year, and I hope I will see you soon.